Oceans of devotion and long queues at Nanapet. Right now I'm at Nipun Mandir, Vithoba Mandir over here. As you can see, long queues has been seen over here. The atmosphere is absolute energetic here over Nanapet. Thousands of Varkari pilgrims and local devotees have gathered at the Palki over here, where we can see Sant Gyaneshwar Maharaj Palki, which has been arrived yesterday in Pune, have been seen over here, where today in the palki is standing here for the halt, and since early morning we can see devotees have been standing in long queues to take the darshan. As you can see, hundreds of devotees waiting patiently for their turn. Many of them have walked days from different parts of the Maharashtra to be the part of the holy Wari. Thousands of sounds like the Vitthal Vitthal can be heard all around, making the atmosphere peaceful and full of devotion over here. Handling such a large crowd is also not easy. To make sure everything goes smoothly, the Pune police have made proper security and crowd management also can be seen over here. Special care also has been seen. Even with such a large crowd, the darshan is moving very smoothly. As you can see, just right front of the palki, there are personals who are standing over there to take care of the citizens who are worshipping and taking darshan of the palki over there. And even we have seen for the Varkaris, this journey is much more than pilgrimage. It is a journey of faith, devotion, and hope that has been followed for generations. From the Palki Vittal, like for them, for the generations, like this is not like from past many years we can see Varkari traveling from many and different parts of Maharashtra over here. That could be from Latur, Parbhani, and they will be going to Pandharpur for this. As we have seen, even as I mentioned, as you can see on my right as well as on the left side, we can see police personnel standing over there to make sure that everything goes smoothly, and even the long queues that has been seen since early morning, and the proper flow of darshan has also been seen over here, because thousands of people, thousands of Varkaris who are traveling from different parts of the city of Maharashtra are seen over here. This here the atmosphere is joy as well as energetic. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjitna from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.